Merit Beauty has 2 days left of their huge sale that they have, and I wanted to show you some of my favorite things that I've been using every day. I have a few foundations that I love, but this one is one that I use every single day. As a mom of 2 toddlers, I have to have something that is super fast and on the go, and this stick is the most easy thing, and they think it's so funny that I literally draw on my face. Use it under my eyes too. This is their complexion stick. I'm using the shade Linen. With the complexion stick, you don't need a concealer and a foundation separate. It's an all-in-one, and it really has good coverage. I would say it's really light, buildable coverage, but this is one of my favorite things from their website. And this brush. I've never been huge into name brand brushes, but this one in particular, I love it so much. It is so, so good, and it blends everything out so quickly. Usually I'll go back in just a couple areas of pimple up here. Just gonna let that sit while I do bronzer. This is another product that I have been loving. It's their bronzer stick. This is in the shade Clay, which I felt like was the best match for me. It's still pretty warm toned. I wish that they had like a cooler tone, but it blends so nicely. It is such a dream. And it makes things just so effortless. When I need to get ready super fast, these are the products that I use. I have 2 of these brushes, one for the complexion stick and then one for the bronzer. I've actually really been enjoying the subtleness that the shade Clay gives though. It's not like deep contour, it just gives a little bit of dimension back into your face, and doesn't go overboard. Oh, I always forget to do my lip. Sometimes I have walked out with just this huge brown shadow under my lip. For blush, I'm using the shade Stockholm, which is such a beautiful pink. I got this in their like holiday trio pack of blushes, and this I just like to blend out with my finger. In the shade Stockholm. For me, with my skin tone, it is just perfect for every day and on the go. This gives a really nice like flushed look without being over the top. I'm gonna just do lips really quick just to feel a little bit more put together. This is the shade Du Jour. Their lipsticks are so creamy. Blush and the lipstick together really complement each other. All of their products, I would say, are super, super creamy. I personally like to set my eyes with powder, so I'm just going in really quick just with a powder I use every day. I like to also set my cheeks to help the color to lock in. Basically, I just set my whole face. I haven't tried their mascara yet, so for that, I'm just gonna throw on a different one really quick. Usually I'd follow up with the Merit brow pencil, but I have used this one completely out. I even like took this off on the way to get all the product in there. This is the shade Medium Brown in their Brow 1990 pencil. I really love it. Honestly, I have I have stopped reaching for some of my other favorites to use this one instead, and it has proven because I've used it up. This is their tinted brow gel in the shade Light Brown. So I'm just gonna use some of that, which makes the process even easier. And this is one of the few brow gels that I've actually really enjoyed. Both of these brow products quickly jumped to the top of my brow favorites. This is it. This is my super quick makeup with Merit Beauty. 20% off today and tomorrow. They never do sales. This is a pretty huge deal. I highly recommend the complexion stick, the brow products. Loving this bronzing stick. If you don't want something that's more warm toned, then I maybe skip this one. But this lipstick in particular, the shade Du Jour. I've also heard the shade Millennial is really pretty. Something to take a look at and consider. And the brush, this is so good too. Really impressed and loving Merit Beauty, so I hope you give it a look. I have an affiliate link with them on my profile if you don't mind shopping through the link. That would mean so much to my family, but to each their own. I just hope that you find something that you love during this holiday sale. Bye.